how to claim and withdraw dogs to exchange. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. First of all, open up your dogs on Telegram, then connect your wallet. For this, you will be able to find the option of connect wallet at the top. Simply click on it. After that, you would be able to find a good amount of options that you can utilize in order to connect your wallet. After that, just simply get back and click on this option of deposit to exchanges. Click on it. Then here you get the option of exchanges at the top. Simply select it, then click on this option of continue. Now here you get three different options: OKX, Bybit, BitGet, and you can choose any of the option where you want to deposit your dogs token when it is listed, and it is going to get listed on 20th of August. So simply select any of the exchange from here, but make sure that you have completed the KYC and your account is verified on that particular exchange. Otherwise, you might end up losing your dog tokens. So simply select any of the exchange. Suppose I want to do it for Bybit. I will select Bybit and click on send here. After that, it will ask you whether you have a Bybit account or not. Simply click on this option of yes, I have it. Otherwise, if you don't have it, click on the option of no, let's create it, or you can go with other exchanges as well. Simply click on yes, I have it, and here you need to provide the UID, docs deposit address and memo, and you would be able to find it on Bybit quite easily. Simply open up your account on Bybit, and after that go to the deposits. Over there type dogs, not dog, type dogs, then select it and click on deposit, and there you would be able to get the deposit address and memo. Just simply copy and paste it over here and click on this option of send, and this way you would be able to connect your exchange with dogs on Telegram, and this way whenever the token gets listed, it will be sent to your exchange directly. And if it is the wallet on Telegram, simply select the option of wallet in Telegram and click on continue to select your wallet and connect it quite easily. And the non-custodial wallet will be available after the listing. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.